Welcome back, everybody. Dr. Craig French here for a quick health tip. Tonight we're going to be talking about carpal tunnel syndrome, cause and effect. As most of you realize, I work here in the Raleigh-Durham region at Research Triangle Park. In this area, predominant use of computers is through the roof. And now problems are escalating from low back pain to neck issues as well as carpal tunnel syndrome. Carpal tunnel syndrome is very successfully treated by chiropractors, and we've been doing it for years. Let me explain a little bit about the anatomy of the wrist as well as other causes. The wrist itself has a tunnel associated with it, which they call carpal tunnel. The carpal is actually the wrist bones themselves. There's 8 movable wrist bones here. Most people that are on a computer or some type of device, they overuse this area, shifting the normal position of the alignment of the bones, which are also attached to the muscles of the forearm. By realigning the wrist itself, the different individual bones, it takes the pressure and inflammation off those areas so the body can heal, function, and repair itself. Medically, they usually do an incision within the wrist to open up the band here of this ligament, which causes more scar tissue later on and more reoccurring health issues to deal with later on, which involves more surgery. Recommendation, get checked as soon as possible by a chiropractor. The other possible cause associated with this, which I see in the majority of the patients that come in, is actually nerve-related issues of carpal tunnel associated with the neck. Let me explain. The anatomy here of the spinal column of the neck, lower half of the neck nerves here branch off and actually supply our arms, hands, and wrists. So when you have misaligned vertebrae, loss of postural curve, you can have overstretching and irritation of the nerves and spinal cord that control our arms, hands, and wrists. So if you haven't had your chiropractor check your neck associated with your carpal tunnel, you're missing the boat quite a bit, because you'll find that predominantly in most cases. If you have any other questions, give my office a call, 919-596-2900, or you can go to my website, drcraigfrench.com. Until next time, have a great night. God bless.